Two people did the same problem and got two different answers, -9 and 1. So who's correct? It'll be whoever followed the order of operations. PEMDAS. What does that mean? You do everything that's inside of grouping symbols first. Then you do your exponents, and if you have square roots, that would be right here. Then you multiply and divide in order from left to right, and then you add and subtract in order from left to right. So let's look at the steps these people took. If you start by doing the 6 plus 4, you're going to get 5 minus 10 minus 3 times 2. Then do the 10 minus 3. You get 5 minus 7 times 2. Do the 7 times 2. You get 5 minus 14, and that's how you get a -9. Start with the 3 times 2. We're going to get 5 minus 6 plus 4 minus 6. Now do the 6 plus 4. We're going to get 5 minus the quantity 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. And 5 minus 4 is 1. Whoever followed the order of operations is going to have the correct answer. So let's look at the first line. This person started by adding 6 plus 4. They went to the parentheses first, which is great, but they did 6 plus 4. They added, whereas this person started with multiplication. You watched all the steps. There were no arithmetic mistakes. So this person has the right answer. The correct answer is 1. -9 is an awesome answer, but it is just not accurate. Now, can you do this problem?